example, and this is our fifth example. In this sixth example, we are still in the application of factorization in simplified expressions. Now let's see how you deal with such problem. Now in simplifying this one, we shall get to factorize this, the numerator, and also factorize the denominator if possible, and then compare the two. Whatever cancels out, then you are to the answer. Now let's see. In factorizing this one, we check what is common here. X is common, so we shall have x into, so this shall be x into a minus 3, right? Then in this other one, b is common, so we can have minus b into, okay, a, and then here we have to put a negative 3, so that this negative and negative can give us a positive, so that you can have minus b here, right? And then minus b and minus 3, you get a positive 3b. Now this one we are dividing with by a minus 3. Now from there we have to pick this and this, and since this one and this one is common, we pick one of them. So this one is x minus b times a minus 3 is one of this. Then you divide it by a minus 3. So see, this one is common, so you can have by a minus 3 is 1, by a minus 3 is 1, and then you have the answer here is x minus b as our